Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Maybe here again with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how I made that stunning passion twist hairstyle that you guys saw at the beginning of the video. But to begin our tutorial, as usual, I'll be showing you everything we need in order to achieve this hairstyle. We'll be using this darling passion twist hair, a comb, a spray just to condition the hair just in case it gets dry and uncomfortable, shine and jam, your ilaron, your cutting comb. You need your crocodile clips, your do-grow stimulating oil for your scalp, and your rubber band. I like to keep my rubber band oiled and moisturized just to make things smooth when achieving this hairstyle. Anyway, I'm going to have my friend section off my hair for me because I want the hairstyle to come out looking very clean while watching us section out my hair. In case this is your first time of seeing me and you're yet to be subscribed to this channel, it's popping in this family. Okay, this channel is growing. I want to be a part of this moving train of awesome people. Okay. Anyway, the point is subscribe to this channel if you're yet to subscribe. Like the video after watching if you enjoy watching. I'm sure you enjoy watching, so please don't forget to hit the like button. So now that we're done sectioning off my hair, it's time for us to get into making this hairstyle. And for the purpose of achieving this hairstyle, my beautiful friend Chidera will be the one making the hairstyle. She was one that made the last video I made on how to make single strand twists on your hair, or is it single braids using your natural hair. I'm going to link that video somewhere on the screen just in case you're yet to see that video. She was one who made that hairstyle for me as well. And in order to achieve a stunning passion twist, you want to first of all make sure that you braid the roots of your hair just to create security, because if you start twisting from the beginning, you might not like the outcome. And with twisting your passion twist, it requires some kind of expertise, right? If you find that you're twisting your hair and the twist isn't coming right, that means you're twisting in the wrong direction. So the idea is, if your hair isn't looking right when twisting, you need to flip the side that you're twisting towards. You might be watching this video and follow the way Chidera is twisting. Even if you follow that process and you see that on your own twists the twists are not coming out the right way, try flipping your hand the other way in the opposite direction and be sure that your twist is going to come out right. Before we achieved progress with this hairstyle, we did a couple of trial and error and the twist wasn't coming out right. So we found that the idea is, when the twist is not coming right, you need to flip your hands right when twisting in the other direction, and you'll be sure that your hairstyle is going to come out looking beautiful. With passion twist, the idea is not for your twist to look perfect, right? Because the hair itself is curly, so your twist is going to have this curly thing to it. I don't know how to describe it, but it usually comes out beautiful at the end of the day. It's not going to come out like your regular twist when using your regular braiding hair, right? It's not going to come out that way. This one is going to come out kind of curly and kind of, it has this rough beauty to it. It's just like, I don't know how to describe it, but if you are familiar with passion twist hairstyles, you already know the look that I'm talking about. And yeah, I'm just going to keep my mouth shut now. Okay, I'm going to allow you guys watch how Chidera is going to be twisting my hair, and I'll come back to talk to you guys once we are done with this particular hairstyle.
You think I'm crazy, but I know I am. Losing your patience, I already have. Don't try to change me, I'm just the way I am. Don't try to save me, cause I can't be saved. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm not good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other friends. Calling each other friends. Don't try to please me, not sure that you can. Don't get me started, babe, cause this is the end. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you.
All right, my loves, we are on the last one, and I hope you guys basically got the gist of this hairstyle. I hope you guys found this tutorial useful, right? It's always nice to be able to create something easy for yourself. That's why I like to share tutorials like this on my channel. And if you see me holding the root of my hair, it's just to prevent tension on my scalp, because yeah, my hair is very precious to me. I have a lot of videos on how to keep your hair looking healthy and all that good stuff. So I was just holding the strand of hair because I didn't want the hairstyle to create any form of tension on my scalp. It took us quite a while to achieve this hairstyle. I had a total of 54 twists on my hair, and it took us about 2 hours thereabout to achieve the hairstyle. And this is the finished look. I'm going to go ahead to switch my outfits and do my makeup and come back to wrap up this video for you guys. All right, guys, this is me. I already went ahead to do a very light makeup, change my outfits, and just ignore my straight face here. I was already tired, and honestly I was already over it at this point in the video. But don't worry, my facial expression is going to change as we go along in the video. What I'm doing now is I'm applying some mousse on my hair just to give my hair a bounce and curly sheen to it. And yeah, I went ahead to apply some of them, my beautiful texture hair mousse. Feel free to use whatever mousse you have with you. Okay, I just use this because this is what I have, and voila, this is the finished look of the hairstyle. As the extra person that I am, I still went ahead to add a little more, but yeah, that's the last portion of most I'm going to be adding to this hairstyle. This is the finished look. Look at how juicy and just it was so beautiful. You guys should drop comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Did Chidera do a good job or did she not? Okay, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. If you made it to this point in the video and you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Okay, I have a lot of awesome tutorials on my channel, hairstyling, DIY tutorials, a bunch of different things that I'm sure you'll find useful. So hit the subscribe button, join the family, and go ahead to watch a lot of my videos. Okay, you'll find them very, very useful. Okay, so go ahead to watch them. I'm just going to be here flaunting the hairstyle to give you different angle clips of what the hairstyle looks like. I told you guys that my mood is going to change. Okay, every time I say that I look nice, my mood always, it gets lightened, or is it, I light up whenever I find that I look like a hot cake. Anyway, smash the like button if you enjoyed watching. I know this my ending is just all over the place, but yeah, I feel good. Today is Easter Monday, it's a public holiday, and I'm in such a fantastic mood. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to watch something else. I'm going to have videos linked on the screen, and yeah, I can't wait to see you in another video. Love and appreciate you guys, and I can't wait to see you in another one. Bye bye. Bye. Mwah.